drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms have fallen, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it all, baby. Ooh, better not I get you. Oh baby, yeah, yeah.
Alright, hey y'all, what's good? We working again. Let me go drop this trailer. I thought I was doing something, y'all. Look, that thing just barely missed the concrete. Let me go ahead and back it up a little bit more. This is a tip that I learned. It works most of the time, but not all the time. But if you want to take the trailer with you, bring the feet up, you will turn the knob towards the tractor. If you want to get rid of your freaking trailer, you go like this, away from the tractor. Like, I don't want you no more. So that's what I learned. Ooh. Oh yeah, and when you dropping that trailer, don't put the feet all the way to the ground. Leave about 1.5 inches, maybe 1 inch, and just let it go. Cause you never know, like someone's tire tread could be a little bit, you know, thinner than yours, and it may be a little bit too high. And then they have to come through and try to lower the trailer. They can accidentally hop the trailer, things like that. So just leave them a little bit of space on the ground, so that way they can just get up under it and lift it off the ground. Y'all see that space? It's not all the way on the ground. Well, it look like it's on the ground on here, but I promise y'all it ain't. Okay, yeah, boom. Y'all see that? It's not all the way on the ground. So that's what y'all want to do. Leave a little space. My work day over. I'm running from the job, y'all. I'm running. Can't let them get me. Trying to hit me with another load. That's how they be trying to do me. I'm out like a thief in the night. Freak up out of here. Trying to stick me with something. Alright. I'm home free. My princess Sanaya. 5 years old now, showing the fit, homegirl. Ooh, work it, work it. Ooh, okay now, girly.
What about cars behind you?
Cars behind me?
No, your car's this way and that way.
So today we are at the mall. I do have a mask, but I'm eating some good teriyaki right now. There's King right there. Sanaya's about to jump up on this little trampoline ropey thing. Y'all gonna see. She's so ready. Yep, strap my baby in real good. King don't be wanting to do stuff. This is why he did not ride the mechanical bull. I don't have footage of that. He's so scary. He said he does not want to jump. So it just is what it is. Oh my gosh.
time is 8:08 a.m. We are about to open up some presents. I've been on my case about these gifts since I put them out there in front of the tree, so it's time. Hey y'all, so today's January 2nd. The kids are going over to Georgia to be with their dad's side. They spent the holidays with me, so that's the gas. Hold on. Okay. So yeah, they spent the holidays with me. They're about to go be with their dad's side of the family for about a week. And I'm really about to miss y'all so much. I don't know what to do with myself when y'all not here. Y'all for real this time. But I'll get back up with y'all in a second. Hi y'all. Okay, so the kids are gone now. And I just wanted to come back and just kind of like talk because I feel like talking. It's 2021, you guys. 2020 was such a blur, but the main thing I want to take into this new year is just like gratefulness. Gratefulness and gratitude for the fact that I've come this far. Still in good health, you know. Children are in good health. My mom, everybody I know. I'm just very, very grateful for that. And it's so easy to get caught up in things that we're not satisfied with, that we don't take a step back and realize how amazing things are for us right now. You know, it's someone else that would just love to be in the shoes you're currently in right now. strengthen my peace and like strengthen just like spreading love, you know, trying not to let anyone have the power to try to get me down in the dumps or things of that nature, you know, just trying to stay on top of my inner peace. And I couldn't do this. I couldn't be in the place that I'm at right now if it wasn't for the love of God, you know what I'm saying? And just like all of his grace and favor. And it feels good. I've never been in such a place of peace in my adult years. Granted, I am only 24, but still, I done been through some stuff, y'all. I know y'all probably don't think so, but I've been through some stuff. And just very, very happy to be here. Very, very happy to be alive. And I know that deep down inside, no matter the craziest stuff that I've been through, it was all just a moment, you know, and God allowed me to experience those moments to make me stronger, and I got a lot more moments to live through, great moments, and I'm just so happy, so elated. So I want everyone here to practice gratitude and just think about things that you can be happy for and grateful for, and really, really just cling to that, hold on to that while you're in the midst of trying to reach your goals. If you don't have any goals, create some, you know. And I know it can be a struggle, you know, to try to figure out, dang, what am I going to do with my life? That's a very heavy thing, you know. It's not light. So just try. And while you're doing that, get active. Do things that